You're not tired. Your core is weak, and it's holding you back. Every skipped core workout steals strength, posture, and confidence, even when you don't notice it. Drop to the floor. Plank. Engage your abs. Keep your back straight. Breathe. Add crunches, bicycle twists. Each movement builds discipline, control, and power you carry all day. Don't wait to feel ready. 5 minutes is enough to start momentum. The stronger your core, the stronger your day. Start this routine today. Repeat tomorrow. In 30 days, you'll rebuild yourself from the inside out. To grow yourself in 30 days, subscribe now and join the challenge.